A very warm welcome to officially open our newly expanded offices that allows us to experience our state-of-the-art robotics and digital technologies.
I'm really delighted to be here with you on this very special occasion, which is celebrating today a real landmark event.
We're celebrating the 10 years of Kuka here and also their new facilities, so there's a great buzz around the place.
Here we have a state-of-the-art, high-tech, global company, still with the values of the old family-based German Mittelstand mentality.
Ireland's manufacturing landscape in 2024 is a completely different world to that of what it was 30 years ago.
We have now become the second largest exporter of medical devices to Europe, Germany being number one. 30 years ago it was zero. 25 years ago it was actually zero. So that's a huge achievement for us within IDA and with our client base.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the future. When we bring economy, business and education together, there is no boundaries.
Kuka is one of the most innovative, forward-looking global companies in the high-tech sector, active with now 15,000 employees in 100 places in more than 50 countries all over the world.
I think it's impressive. I think robotics is really important for the digital transformation for manufacturing in Ireland, especially in the life sciences sector. And you guys, deliver a lot of robotics to the life sciences sector here in Ireland, currently across the country. So this support to that ecosystem is really, really important to us.
I can only say, congratulations, you really have a great achievement.
I would say keep building. The mission is to expand, to scale. To make the Kuka brand successful in Ireland. So I wish Kuka every success.
Well done, congratulations, keep going, and I look forward to seeing what you do in the future.
Firstly, keep up the good work. We're delighted to see what you're doing here and supporting our manufacturing industry from Ireland, which is fantastic for us to say.
Industrial intelligence.